Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. So I'm coming to you for the next layout for my Mini Kit Monday where I'm doing Janet's series 4 for 4 from RTS Scrapbooking. So this one's kind of interesting. So we had to use, of the 3x4 cards, 4 of them from pattern paper number 1, 4 from pattern paper number 2, 2 from pattern paper number 3, 2 from pattern paper number 4, and then 6 of these 1x4 strips from pattern paper number 3. And this is the background I chose from the backgrounds that I had picked out. Now, the next thing I have to do is figure out which photos I want to use to go with this, but I kind of have an idea for some pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find which configuration I like for this, and I have to find the missing piece that goes right here. So I do know my orientation, or I think my orientation is going this way. These guys have a different, these guys are double-sided, so if I want it a little plainer, I can go that way, but I'm not sure where I'm going to go with this layout yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together since I'm not in a situation with the tripod, and then I'll come back and share it with you. Okay, let's see how it goes. So this is going to be more of a layout share because I didn't film the next part. It was getting dark and I was scrapbooking upstairs in my house at the time, so I thought I'd show you where I went with this. I already explained the sizes of the paper that we had to work with and all of that. So I did go ahead and ink all of the pieces of my pattern paper. I thought it kind of drew your eye in on each piece when I did so. The little side pieces that are on these layouts, I just used them on each side as mirrors, as kind of like a little whimsical piece going in. And then let's see, I guess maybe we'll start right here so you can kind of see what's what. Let me see if I can come in just a little bit more. There we go. So this challenge that I did in conjunction with the 4x4 series was about a nickname, and Rai Rai is one of my daughter's nicknames. I did end up using a nice amount of this collection with both the letters as well as these very, very large tropical leaves and this title that says Sun and Fun right here. I told you that I did go ahead and ink everything. Then I used a lot of epoxy pieces. I have these flip-flops here and this cute little flamingo. And from the, what is it called? The wild, what is it called? This collection, these holographic pieces are pretty darn cool. So I have the holographics there, but it's a gold holographic here, as well as here, and another heart over here. I was able to use these fun little epoxy flowers as well, and I have these little puffy bits in 3 places. I used this gorgeous brad. Let me bring it up to you. Look at how pretty it is. I love when large brads have gold touches to them. It says photo shoot at Amy's dock. I put my cute little flamingo, which is working with this flamingo at a little bit of an angle. This is a tag as well, but I just used it as kind of like a little journaling spot. And of course, you see that I did go ahead and put enamel dots here and there throughout the layout. Now my background is also pattern paper. And with that in mind, I think it has plenty of interest. I have a ton of patterns, but they do work together. I don't know if it's because they're cut in a smaller scale or not, but they really did work together, and this was a lot of fun to work with. Let me see. What else is there anything else I want to tell you? Let's see. I did that. I used, is it Wild Heart? Yeah. That's going to bug me. I did use one of the really nice strong epoxy pieces from that collection down here as well. It is a lot of fun. So that's how this layout came out. I'm really, really happy with it. I was able to do Janet's instructions for RTS scrapbooking, as well as fit in a nickname challenge for Secret Not Secret Kid Club for this one. So I do know that Janet has gone ahead and issued the next video for layout number 3 in this series. I have not watched it yet, so I'm looking forward to seeing what sizes we get to use for our next pieces. This will be another set of side-by-side or 2-page layout. So that is going to be coming up soon. Next Monday, I'll have that posted, but I haven't even done it yet. And is there anything else to tell you? I think that's about it. This one's kind of shorter because, like I said, I didn't do the process live with you, but I absolutely do love the way it came out. I was able to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photos on a 2-page layout, and I don't think that's half bad. I was really excited with it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll see you later. Oh, and a still photo is coming right there. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll have links right down there below for the rest of the Fab Ladies that are part of Mini Kit Monday. All right, bye-bye, friends.